Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to link Vanilla gift card to Cash App. The first step is to make sure that your Vanilla Visa gift card is activated. To do this, simply go to the official Vanilla gift card website and complete the activation process. Once your card is activated, open the Cash App on your mobile device. From the home screen, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings. From here, scroll down and tap on the Linked Banks option. On this page, tap on Link Debit Card. At this point, Cash App will ask you to enter your card details. Start by entering the card number, then add the expiration date, the 3-digit CVV number, and finally, the zip code associated with your card, which is the same as your postal code. Once you've entered everything correctly, tap on the Link Card option in the bottom right corner. In many cases, this will link your Vanilla Visa gift card to Cash App successfully. And that's how you can try adding a Vanilla Visa gift card to Cash App. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free, virtual, and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.